Students, now let us go to the combination of parallel plate capacitors. Okay, combination means how to combine. Okay, what are the ways to combine them? There are two ways to combine them. One is series combination and parallel combination. In this lecture, we are going to solve for series combination. So I have considered these many of parallel plate capacitors C1, C2, C3 and Cn. Up to Cn there are so many parallel plate capacitors. Now if you see here, C1 is the capacitance of first parallel plate capacitor, C2 is the capacitance of second parallel plate capacitor and so on. Now you have studied in class 10 that in series combination the current remain same. Current remain same. The quantity which is current will remain same. It means that if I have current I 1 ampere here will be also 1 ampere, here will be also 1 ampere, 1 ampere, everywhere the current will be same. So how does this current mean? How does this current have come? Current has come from the flow of charge, isn't it? So everywhere the current is same, that is charge is also same. Okay, whenever you combine this capacitor in series, current is same. The current is because of the flow of charge. Therefore the charges which is flowing here, which is flowing here, which is flowing here is same because current is same. So here I will write Q, 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 Q and Q, because current is same means charge is also same. Now let me go to the voltage, and the voltage is different, isn't it? In series the potential difference between the 2 point is different. Okay, for that, for C1 the potential difference is V1, for C2 it is V2 and so on. In series the voltage is different. Now to how to solve this? This is solved by using the different thing. Okay, so it is very easy to solve this. Okay, whichever quantity is different, you have to find the total capacitance using that quantity. It means that first write, okay, series, I am finding the capacitance of parallel plate capacitor in series combination. So you know that the total V, okay, how much is V? This is the V of this battery will be equal to how much? V1 plus V2 plus V3 plus dash plus Vn, because potential is different. Okay, so this is equation number 1. बुझ्नु जुन चाहिँ डिफरेन्ट क्वान्टिटी छ त्यसको इक्वेसन फर्स्टमा लेखेर हामी के गर्छ यसको सल्युसन गर्छ. ओके, द वान which is different, I have to write that equation first. So different is my voltage, so total V, this V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus and so on. Now what is capacitance? We know that capacitance C is equal to Q by V, then or V is equal to, if you bring it here, Q is there and it will become C. Now if I want to write, okay, if I want to write V1, then how much will be? Q by C1, because Q is same, and how much is V2 is equal to again Q by C2 and so on. Then Vn will be equal to Q by Cn. Understood? Because V1, V2 are different and Q, all the Q's are same. So all the Q's here are same. Then let me substitute the values of V1, V2, V3 and Vn in equation number 1. What do I get? I will get V is equal to Q by C. So I will write Q by C is equal to how much is V1? It is Q by C1 plus V2 is Q by C2 plus again Q by C3 plus dash plus Q by Cn. Okay, so or Q by C is there, then let me take Q as common, Then if I take Q here common, then what do I get? I get 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3 plus dash 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 plus 1 by Cn, right? So this Q and this Q cancels, then I'll get Q, okay, 1 times. So this is 1 by C equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3 plus dash 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 plus 1 by Cn. So this is the net capacitance of parallel plate capacitor in series. 1 by C equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 and so on. So if you see this, there is a quite difference between resistors and capacitors, which I don't talk here, but you can always find the difference. So in the next lecture we will go to the capacitance in parallel. Thank you.